Hello everybody, I'm out here in my little garden. I'm observing Earth Day. You know, Earth Day is an annual occasion where we try to support things like the environment. And what I wanted to do is say to our parents and our students that are at home because of this coronavirus, what we want to offer to you, Coach Lily wanted to say that maybe a good activity for all ages would be to do some gardening. And that would support too our Earth Day. If you wanted to plant trees and shrubbery, or even if you wanted to plant some food items, I'm thinking it would be an absolutely great opportunity for parents and their children to kind of bond together. And there's so many opportunities for educational advances when you're looking at gardening. I can see math, I can see science, I can see biology. We're looking at a whole lot of things when you're looking at gardening. And what I wanted to say to you too is that during this time of the coronavirus, and we're in that stay home society right now, what we can do, that is a hands-on activity that parents can bond with their children. Now, when I say bonding, aside from the educational values, look at just the humanistic values that gardening have. If you're able to work together, you know, you can have some private conversations together. You can talk about so many things. And it's a time that you're together. That's what matters most in this pandemic environment that we're having right now. This has been Coach Lily, and I want you to look at that. Look at gardening. You can carve you out a space in your backyard. You can hang stuff on the ceiling on the back porch, whatever you need to do. But I'm thinking that on this Earth Day, this National Earth Day, a wonderful activity for you to do while you're at home is gardening. And that can go a long ways. Gardening has so many advantages. So go ahead and take advantage of that. And that's one of the activities that we offer you in the Tools for Teen Transformation book. So do know that this is Coach Lily, and we are helping you to be the best parents that you can be, the best students that you can be, and to look at this opportunity as bonding. We appreciate you. This has been Coach Lily. Take care.